should buy me a hawk.
I should buy you a hawk.
Yeah. Yes, the way you can play it.
What'd you get yesterday?
What?
What'd you get yesterday?
What, the Power Ranger thing?
Yeah, let me see him. Power Ranger. Wow. Yeah, I got him. What are you watching? What? What are you watching?
A queen. Right in the queen I'm watching. You get close?
I got him. I got him.
Let me see. Let me see.
No, I'm getting you. I don't want to see your Power Ranger no more. I've seen him. Power Ranger.
Now, I want to do this guy. That guy. Let me see on the Power Ranger. Stop it.
Watching the cars.
That's right, no tires again. Normally I say after short-term gain, long-term loss. But it sure is working for him.
Picture of Power Ranger. Take a picture.
I got him. Alright, watch cars. Why are you hiding? Alright, say bye. Your stinky feet. Thanks, Malachi. What are you doing? Why are you hiding? Alright, say bye. Let me see. Let me see you. Say bye. Say bye.